Planning to remodel before selling your home? Knowing when to start is key to maximizing your home's value and appeal, but timing it just right can be tricky.
Yeah, starting a remodel too early or too late can impact your sale. And today, we'll share the ideal timing to help your home stand out when it hits the market.
Welcome back. I'm Callie with JSB Home Solutions, here with Kendra from the Carter Group with Keller Williams. And together, we've helped many homeowners navigate remodeling timelines to make the most out of their sale.
And just so you know, these insights are helpful no matter who you work with for remodeling or for real estate. We're here to give you the timing strategies that will help you get the best return on investment for your remodel.
If you find these tips useful, please like this video and subscribe for more advice on prepping your home to sell. By the end of this video, you'll have a roadmap for timing your remodel perfectly, so you can capture buyer interest right when it matters most. Timing is everything when it comes to remodeling before a sale. Jumping into a big project too close to your listing date can add stress and even hurt your home's appeal if things feel rushed.
That's right. Starting too early can mean missing out on market trends, while starting too late might mean buyers see a half-finished project. We recommend beginning your planning at least 6 months to a year before you plan to sell.
Next up, let's look at how long remodels usually take. Project duration depends on the scope, and it's crucial to plan accurately.
Whew, yes, a full kitchen remodel can take up to 18 months for custom work, when a simple remove and replace remodel usually takes only a couple weeks. Understanding these timelines helps you avoid surprises and stick to your plan.
Once you've decided to remodel, having a clear plan is essential. A well thought out timeline lets you complete the work, clean up, and stage your home.
We really suggest creating a checklist of tasks starting 6 to 12 months out from your listing date. This includes identifying areas to update, setting your budget, and researching contractors. Planning ahead gives you the flexibility to adapt if needed.
In the description, you'll find a link to a timeline checklist that will help you organize all the tasks that you will need to complete to prepare your home to sell. It also has how far in advance those tasks should be completed to give you the best return on your remodel investment.
So when it comes to return on investment, not all remodels are created equal. Kitchens and bathrooms generally offer the highest returns, followed by exterior upgrades that boost curb appeal.
Absolutely. Even minor updates like new countertops or lighting can make a really big difference without breaking the bank. Focusing on these high ROI areas can make your home feel more move-in ready, which buyers love. One big decision is whether to remodel or sell as is. In a seller's market where homes move quickly, you may not need to invest heavily in updates.
But in a buyer's market where there's more competition, homes that need more work tend to linger longer. A well-executed remodel can give you an edge if similar homes in your area are updated. What I will say right now, even though Central Ohio is in a seller's market, buyers are being very picky, as they should, because interest rates, where they have fluctuated the last year, we hear it all the time, but I don't have to buy, but I don't have to sell. So the bottom line is, if you put a good product on the market, it will sell. That's the seller's market. But if you're putting broken toilets, broken fixtures, leaky roofs, it's gonna sit.
Seasonal trends also play a role in your remodel timing. Winter months can lead to delays, so wrapping up work by fall can help you avoid weather issues.
And ideally, you want to list in the spring or early summer. The only time we haven't noticed that trend is like 2 years ago when the COVID market, we didn't have that high and low for the spring market, but it definitely came back last year, and we're seeing it again this year. Inventories dropped a little bit, sales dropped a little bit, and we're seeing that lull for those winter months. Finalizing your cosmetic updates at the start of the year allows you to hit the market when demand is back up.
Common concern is balancing remodel costs with your expected sale price. And the goal is to invest in updates that will help you sell quicker without pouring money into projects that won't add value.
that's where it's so important to work with an agent, a realtor who has worked in this sphere before. So I've done a lot with contracting and pricing out renovations. If you don't have this spreadsheet of all of the renovations you want to do and factor that into your net sales sheet, you could be over improving and accidentally be at a net loss for your resale.
And sometimes quick fixes are all you need to make your home shine. Simple updates like paint, lighting, hardware are budget friendly, and they really have a big impact.
I really like that one, and I stand on that. I mean, just simply replacing light fixtures is great. Now, if your kitchen or bathroom is really outdated, you might need to plan for that more significant remodel, but balancing those small updates with larger improvements will ensure that your home appeals to a broader range of buyers.
And it's tempting to list your home right after a remodel, but giving it a few weeks to a month to settle can really make a lot of difference.
Yeah, we recommend finishing touches like paint touch-ups and staging before listings. We actually do a 2-hour staging consult to help you prepare, but allowing this extra time ensures that your home is put together and looks its best to maximize buyer interest.
When it comes to remodeling before selling, the timing can feel overwhelming. Too soon and you risk outdated trends. Too late and you're rushing to finish. That's why working with an experienced team like a knowledgeable realtor and remodeler can make a huge difference in navigating the right timing for your remodel.
Yeah, an experienced remodeler can guide you through project planning and executions. One of the things that I love is the resources that JSB has. You actually have a comparison guide, and we'll link this. You can find it on our website and our blog as well as on theirs. But you need to ask your remodelers what their warranties are, what their licenses are, what happens if something goes wrong and delays. And this sheet that they have actually has JSB's answers so that you know what to ask whomever you're interviewing. And on this side, it talks about liability, service scope, financing, which is another thing that they're able to do here at JSB. So something linked in our blogs and bios that you'll be able to access for free. So if you're preparing to sell and wondering how to start your remodeling process, reach out for a consultation. Callie's here for you. I'm here for you. Together we can help get you the best return on investment before hitting the market and make sure that it's the right time for you.
Thanks for joining us, and if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more insights on maximizing your home's value. And if you have questions or other topics that you want to see us talk about, drop it in the comments. We'll see you next time with more tips on remodeling, marketing timing, and preparing your home to sell. Until then, happy renovating and selling.